What's up, guys, and welcome back to another exciting adventure of Ray of All Trades. Today we're going to be working on a 97 Jeep TJ personal driver. Whenever you turn on the air conditioner or the heater, anyway, whenever the fan's moving, get a burning smell coming from the vents. And it usually only happens on low, medium, and I think medium high. Once it's on full speed, the smell goes away. I'm not sure if it's just the volume of air or if it's that resistor pack. So come along, we'll take a diagnosis, take things apart, see what we can figure out, get it cleaned up. Maybe it'll help you guys. Stay tuned. This is a style Jeep that has the fan behind the battery box. I don't remember if the newer model moved it inside or the older model moved it inside, but this is a 97 TJ. So let's go ahead and get the battery out of the way. Next, we're going to move, I believe this is the ECM on this one. I could be wrong. This box is in the way of that fan coming out. So I believe that it's going to give us access, a large opening to the bottom of that air box where that, I'm guessing dried leaves are forming, and whenever the blower motor kicks on, the blower motor resistor gets hot, and I think it's probably burning the leaves. Like I said, I'm smelling it smells like there's a fire trying to occur. So this thing is packed full of silicone, maybe? I'm guessing previous owner might have had a leak. Anyway, I'm going to clean all that out of there, take off what I'm guessing is 3 8mm or 5/16 bolts holding this cage in, and get it out the way. All that silicone, I'm wondering if I'm opening up a can of worms here, but we'll find out. Oh yeah, I found the problem. Alright, let's see if I can get you guys in there to see. See all the leaves and everything on the squirrel cage fan. What's worse, let me try to get a light in there so you guys can see it. There we go. Alright, so what you're looking at is the inside of that blower motor housing. Easy access from the outside of the vehicle, but you can see that metal item. I'm holding a flashlight or else I'd point to it. That metal item in the 5 o'clock position with all the holes in it, that's the cover for the blower motor resistor pack. You can see it's full of leaves, and that explains right what I'm smelling. Basically, those leaves are in that blower motor resistor pack and just burning, and I'm smelling them. And adding air to it probably didn't help matters. So let me put you guys down. I'm gonna grab a shop vac, get all that cleaned out of there. Use compressed air, get that cleaned up, and if it still is not clean enough, I'll take out the blower motor resistor pack. That's accessible from underneath the dashboard behind the glove box. So let me see if I can get you guys in a position where I can still work. So I'm going to try to point out to you guys what's going on. Battery died while I was cleaning everything out, and I know it doesn't look like I cleaned anything, but you can see all the new debris that I'm digging out of this thing. It is coming from a pocket back here in the back corner, and you're trying to be very gentle. I wish I could show this a little bit better. There we go. Alright, so that's part of your air conditioner there. That's made out of aluminum. It's got fins on it. That's what the Freon rolls through, and that's where you get your air conditioning from. The blower runs across it. Anyway, there's a pocket back there in the back, that there was a whole bunch of debris, and I keep pulling it out. The more I pull out, the more it's packed in there, the more I can pull out. So anyway, that's what I'm working on, getting all that cleaned up out of there. So, shop vac, a soft brush, just being careful around this aluminum, because you poke a hole in that and you're gonna have a problem. So anyway, that's what I'm working on. Now she looks much better, much more cleaned up. Time for reassembly. Alright, so put the 8mm 5/16 bolts back in. I use this driver a lot, so I understand how much torque it's supplying, and you do not want to put a lot of torque on this thing. Get rid of this giant pile of silicone. I'm going to vacuum off that battery tray. Looks terrible. time for reassembly. I was shaking the bigger field, put it on there. I was doing it, so I think back up, it can still be loose. It's held. Okay. I'm saying enough of it, push on your lid. And we'll keep it. So everything else will be there. So this would be the passenger side compartment. Back behind the passenger side compartment, way down in there, would be your blower motor resistor pack. So it comes through on this side. You would pull off that screw there, the strap. I believe at that point you could lower this door. I believe it lowers and then pulls out to give yourself access to here. These Jeeps have a whole lot of access to panels and stuff. I remember changing out that blower motor resistor pack, and I don't remember pulling all of this out. I want to say that I just reached in here, possibly worked from the bottom side down here to get access up there and changed it out. All right, yeah, I don't remember it being that difficult of a problem. As far as fuses go, has anybody seen a stranger place than that for your fuses? Drop a comment. Let me know if you've seen stranger place since this and that. It's kind of a weird one. Let's go ahead and turn on the ignition real quick. All right, so I got the ignition on. Get you guys in focus. Much better. No burning smell. Let's go ahead and bring this down to a low speed. So it'll be the highest resistance on that pack. No kind of burning smell. I think we might have got it. If you learned anything on today's channel, give me a thumbs up. Helps the channel, doesn't cost you guys a thing. Lets me know what kind of content you're after. The Jeep, I'm looking forward to not having a burning smell just by using the fan. And anyway, thanks for hanging out with me for the day. I appreciate it. Have a good one, guys.